Hi everybody, it's Janelle from East Coast Mummy, and I have some fantastic Valentine's Day freebies and dollar store DIYs that you are going to love. Let's get started. Some of you may remember these giant frames that I found at Dollarama and the pictures I designed for Christmas that you could download for free. I thought it'd be fun to repurpose the frames with some designed prints for Valentine's Day. I designed several options, and if you look in the link below, you will find out how to download them for free. You can pop your favorite one in a frame, or you can choose a few favorites and put them together in a display. This is what mine looks like. What do you think? Next up are some free tags I designed. You can download them for free on my blog. I'll leave the link below. And I have some DIY Valentine ideas. I designed the tags to fit 3 on a 4x6 picture. So you can just print them like you would a regular photo and use a paper cutter or scissors to cut them into 3 individual tags. The first Valentine is a small bag of chips. I grabbed these ones from the dollar store and I attached the tag that said, "You're all that," and a bag of chips with a little clothespin. Cute, right? Next up is a cute idea using this tag I designed that says, "You knock my socks off." I grabbed these cute dollar store socks with some fun designs. I removed the price tag and then I grabbed a cellophane bag. I grabbed a couple pairs of the socks. I folded them up, I inserted them into the cellophane bag, and then I grabbed some red and white twine, tied the top, took a hole punch and put a hole in the tag and attached the tag to the socks. I think this is a super cute gift. It's fun for kids, it's fun for a boyfriend or a husband, it's fun for anybody. I think it's absolutely adorable. What do you think? Another option for the socks is to put them in a brown sandwich bag. We all have a bunch of these laying around our house. Insert the socks in, fold up the top, grab one of the tags, and attach it to the top of the bag with a couple of the dollar store tiny clothespins. Next up is a fun Valentine with a tag that says, "A little treat for someone sweet." You can use any types of goodies for these. You can use homemade cookies in a cellophane bag, tied with a bit of twine and with a tag attached, or you can just grab a pre-made bag of cookies like the little Oreos or Chips Ahoy. Take one of the tags and attach it to the top with a couple of clothespins. Really, you can do any kind of chocolate or cookies or candy, whatever your Valentine likes the best. The next tag I designed said I couldn't choose a better friend, and it has a little gumball machine on it, and it's good paired with some gum. So I grabbed a package of gum, I tied a piece of red and white twine around it, took a hole punch to put a hole in the corner of the tag, and attached it, and that was it. I hope you like all these free tags and the free Valentine's prints I designed. Please take a moment, stop over to the blog to download your free copies. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to be notified of future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye.